Hello, my name is John Kelly of the Kelly Law Team, and I want to talk to you about one of the things that I see is major issue in personal injury claims that is a huge mistake that people make when setting up their insurance. Often people tell me, well, I'm fully insured. What that often means, though, is that they meet the state minimum requirements. In Arizona, that's 25,000, 50,000 liability insurance. What that means is that's money for other people if you hit them. But what about the times when you get hit and you don't have someone that's insured on the other end, or they don't have enough insurance to treat you for or to compensate you for your injuries? That happens all the time in my practice. Someone will come in, have a very severe injury, and we'll find out that the person that hit them only has 25,000 or maybe no insurance at all. So what do we do with that case? Well, we have to oftentimes rely on the person who was hit's auto policy. So when you're signing up for Geico, Progressive, State Farm, Travelers, whatever the insurance is, you have options for what are in your policy. And you do not want to just get the 25 state minimum liability. You also want to elect to get underinsured motorist coverage and uninsured motorist coverage. That's going to protect you if the other party doesn't have enough insurance. How much should you get? You need to look at the rates, shop the rates, and figure out how much you can afford. Because it's an additional 25,000 underinsured, is that going to be enough for you if the other party has only 25,000? So what that means is you can get that liability money from them, the 25,000 from the third party that hit you, and then you can get another 25 from you, which gives you 50,000 per accident. Is that enough if you break your leg? Is that enough if you have a severe concussion? You may want to consider getting 100,000, 500,000, maybe even $1 million. It depends on what you can afford. But get the rates, because it's not actually that much more expensive to get underinsured motorist coverage. And it's one of the biggest issues that personal injury attorneys deal with in making sure that their clients are getting fully compensated. When you hear the big judgments of multi-million dollars, it's because someone had a big policy oftentimes. And if they don't have that policy, they're reliant on potentially suing someone that's not going to be able to pay for all the damages they have. So remember to protect yourself when you're electing to get auto insurance. Get underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage and get as much as you can afford. My name is John Kelly at the Kelly Law Team. If you have questions, call me here at 602-283-4122.